Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an updated review on my Julia hair. I made my first video on this hair, and this is just the second video coming back to let you all know how the hair is doing. But before I go on, the specs of this hair is 224, 122, 120 and a 20-inch frontal. I did receive a closure from the vendor, but I didn't use a closure. I decided to use a frontal on this hair. So the link to their store and the link to this hair, as well as the link to my first video, is going to be down on the info section. So please make sure you click on it. So today I am just going to be showing you how to achieve beautiful soft beach wave using my 3-barrel jumbo waver. I got this from Walmart about 4 years ago. So yeah, it's been a long time since I had this, and I just really wanted to make a video showing you what the waves looks like, because I have never really made a tutorial using this, and it gives you that really beautiful wave texture to your hair. So yeah, as far as this hair goes, it is good hair. I have no complaint about the hair. It takes the curls very well. It doesn't tangle. Shedding is just normal, just a few strands here and there when I co-wash the hair. I only experience shedding when I co-wash the hair. When I comb through the hair, I usually don't experience that much shedding. Just sometimes 1 or 2 strands comes out of the hair. But that's because one thing about the way your hair shed, it also depends on the kind of comb you use. So I usually use a wide tooth comb, so that way it's not really pulling the hair, because you don't really need a tiny comb to comb through your hair, especially when you're not going for a bone straight look. So if you use a wide tooth comb, it's gonna get the job done and your hair is gonna shed less. And that's the kind of comb I actually use. It actually makes your hair shed less. So yeah, this hair is very good. It comes recommended. I recommend this vendor. Like I always say, if the hair made it up to my channel, then it's good hair. Usually I don't review, I don't even put hair up that is not good. If it's not good, I just tell the vendor and that's it. So yes, this wave pattern is really pretty. I love it. It's just something really soft, nothing so dramatic. It just gives you this really nice, beautiful look to it. So I really wanted to do something different. You can get this on Amazon, Walmart, and other stores online. So the rest of the video is just me going in and styling the hair as usual. As you can see, it came out really pretty. It's just really pretty. I love it. So yeah, like I said, the name of this vendor is Julia Hair. This is their body wave hair. This is 4 bundles and a frontal. The link to their store is going to be down on the info section, so make sure you click on it as usual. This hair is pretty. I love it. It has a luster. It takes the curls. It's just really pretty. I really love the hair. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Until my next video, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.